When working with data from multiple sources, one of the first steps before starting any analysis is to identify and remove duplicate records. If duplicates are left unchecked, they can lead to inaccurate results and misleading insights. In this video, I will show you some quick and effective techniques to identify and remove duplicates values in Excel. I will also discuss the limitations of each method so you can avoid common mistakes and work with clean, duplicate-free data. Let's get started. For this video, we will use this sample. I have copied this data again here so that we can see the original data we have used. For first trick, we will use remove duplicate button. For this, select the data and go to data tab, and under data tools you will get remove duplicates button was introduced in 2007. Just click it. If your data has header, please ensure that it is checked and all the columns are selected, as we have to remove duplicate rows, and click OK. As you can see, out of 5, 4 rows deleted, including the row with a small case. So remove duplicates is not case sensitive, but there is a catch. Here I have changed the date format and in these 2 rows number formatting. Let me copy it again here and apply remove duplicates button again. For this, go to data tools, click OK. Only one record deleted. The record with date and different number formatting are still there. So remove duplicates, not case sensitive, but consider date and number with different formatting as different and will not remove the duplicate rows. So before using this trick, please ensure that your data in each column is in similar format. For second trick, we will use advanced filter. Just go to data, under sort and filter, click advanced. System has selected the nearest data. As we have to pull unique records only, let me click it, and we don't want to filter at place. So click this, copy to another location. Everything is okay. Click OK. As you can see, advanced filter has returned only one row. So it doesn't treat uppercase and lowercase text as different, nor does it treat dates and numbers with different formatting as different records. The next trick we will use is dynamic array function unique. If you are using Office 365, it is very easy. Just use unique and select the data, and so no issue with unique functions also. It is returning only one row. As you can see, we are using similar data as we have used for advanced filter and for remove duplicates button. The final trick I will show you is using Power Query. For this, I have converted this data into a table. As you can see, table design tab is appearing. So after selecting the data, go to data tab, under get and transform data, click from table and range, and your data will appear in Power Query. Let us change the date in date format only. Then select the complete data. I am pressing shift and selecting the all 3 columns, and then remove duplicates, and then load again. Close and load to existing sheet, and we will update here. As you can see, Power Query has returned 2 rows, one with capital letters and one with lowercase. So no problem with formatting of dates and numbers, but Power Query is case sensitive. So to rectify it while in Power Query, let me show you. Let me go again in Power Query. Do one thing, go to Transform tab and under Format, capitalize each word. Now let us delete again duplicates. Now it will return only one row. So Power Query is case sensitive, and while using remove duplicate button, take care of formatting of your numbers and dates. I hope you found this duplicate removal technique useful. Which method do you use most often? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel productivity tips. Keep watching Number Crunching with Rajesh from jupitersolutions.in.